Today we're revising photosynthesis. It's a term that we use quite often, but it's important to make sure that we really understand this very important process. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their own food. In the process, they also produce oxygen. During the process of photosynthesis, plants use the energy from the sun to change carbon dioxide and water into glucose, which is a sugar. We also call it the plant's food, and oxygen is released as a byproduct. Let's take a quick look at why photosynthesis is so important. Photosynthesis can only happen under specific conditions. The first requirement for photosynthesis to occur is water, which plants absorb through their roots, and carbon dioxide, which is absorbed from the atmosphere. There are also two conditions that are necessary for photosynthesis. Plants can only photosynthesize in the presence of sunlight. They use solar energy to make glucose. The other requirement is the presence of chlorophyll. Green plants contain a pigment called chlorophyll in special organelles that we call chloroplasts. This pigment traps solar energy and enables photosynthesis. During the process, oxygen is released into the atmosphere. Most living organisms need oxygen for respiration. During the process of photosynthesis, plants also produce glucose, a sugar which is stored as a starch in the leaves, the stems, roots, fruits, or seeds of the plants. The food that plants produce make energy available in the food chain. This is why producers form the base of every food chain. Consumers, like humans and animals, can't make their own food. They're dependent on producers to get their energy. The components that go into the process of photosynthesis are called the reactants. The reactants in this process are carbon dioxide, which are absorbed from the atmosphere, and water, which the plants absorb through their roots. The components that are formed as a result of the process are called the products of the reaction. The products of the process of photosynthesis are glucose, which is stored in the plants as a starch, and oxygen, which is released into the atmosphere. Here you can see the word equation and the chemical formula for the process of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water reacts to become glucose and oxygen. To revise, carbon dioxide and water are the reactants. The products that are produced through the process of photosynthesis are oxygen and glucose. When there's more than one reactant or more than one product, we use a plus symbol. The arrow symbolizes the chemical reaction, which is in this case the process of photosynthesis.